Got me yelling at myself to free my mind and feelings of my own anxiety. Thoughts are running wild, I can't breathe. Every breath feels like I'm sinking. Making it worse got me believing everything is ordinary. Some days I'm outside, yet still hide in my mind. Pay no one else any mind like a mom. I keep to myself all the time. I feel like I could cry, but there is not a shed, nothing in sight. Search for 10,000 lifetimes if I remember right. Long ago they told me to keep up the fight, because someday I might just be able to escape this miserable life. It seems like every time I am about to decide anything, I fall behind. Time waits for no one, can't finish my rhymes on time, hope to die. I've been quiet, been writing down these lyrics. I'm just delirious at times, can't make up what I am thinking, deciding if it's even worth it. Am I even listening to myself, or am I just dreaming? Someone please tell me.
Am I dreaming of this pain that I'm feeling? I must be sleeping. Too much to be seeing. Is it wishful thinking? Trying to fly when I'm sinking. Hope to die but I'm dreaming. Razor blades quit healing.
Some words do fit, the rest just sound gibberish. At times it doesn't make any sense. What am I trying to accomplish? Losing doubt in myself, fighting to live. Accepting any real reason to quit. Giving up is harder, even harder to give. Why did I do this to myself? What is left to me to really live? Insides are rotten and twisted. Sometimes I don't know if I mean it. The words don't make up for the feeling. I let that distract my meaning. Trying to explain, but I'll be sealing. Stacking up to whoever is reaching. This is who I am. Never be afraid, we are only human beings. If you're scared, doesn't mean you leave. Keep going at it, become a fiend. Craving to live, wanting to breathe. Wake up from all of your dreams. Tired but not wanting any sleep. Acceptance is so far from reach. But while we happier by ourselves, they make us seem so weak. Made the same like everyone else. Reasons even they can't tell. Nowadays the fakes are praised, the realists are living through hell. The children are suffering alone, even though it's not their fault. No one sees anything anymore. Can you feel their pain? Am I hallucinating?
Am I dreaming of this pain that I'm feeling? I must be sleeping. Too much to be seeing. Is it wishful thinking? Trying to fly when I'm sinking. Hope to die but I'm dreaming. Razor blades quit healing.